Om Sri Sai Ram. Premavahini Chapter 37. Incarnations reveal the universal form of the Lord. To vouchsafe the knowledge of the spiritual practice and that truth, and to bless the devotees with that bliss, the attributeless Supreme Lord incarnates in this world, assuming name and form, and gives scope for all embedded beings to have concrete experience and joy. Through these experiences, the incarnations facilitate the realization that the Supreme Lord Paramatma is the universal soul, Sarva Antaryami, and all pervasive, the inner Atma of everything in creation. Lord Krishna showed the entire creation in his own form. Even Arjuna failed to understand that Krishna was the universal soul until he saw with his own eyes how Lord Krishna contained the entire creation in his gross form. Love, lover, and the loved, all three are one and the same. Without love, there can be no lover. Even if there are both love and the lover, without the loved, love has no function. In all three, love is the chief ingredient. That which is saturated chiefly and uniformly in everything, that is the Supreme Lord Paramatma. So, there is no difference between these three. In all three, love, prema, is discernible as the universal soul, Sarvantaryami. So, can't it be realized that everything is embodiment of the Lord, Paramatma Swarupa? Certainly, it can be realized without fail. Jai Sai Ram. Om Sri Sai Ram. Premavahini Chapter 38. Non-dualism teaches the highest knowledge, the unity of all. Everything is suffused with love, prema. So we can unhesitatingly declare that the Supreme Lord is the form of love, prema swarupa. In the entire creation, in all living things, love is manifesting itself in various forms. The nature of love cannot alter, though it is known under different names like love for offspring, affection, devotion to God, desire, vatsalya, anuraga, bhakti, ishtam, etc., according to the direction in which it is canalized. But whatever the form, the essence cannot alter. On the basis of this knowledge and experience, the conclusion becomes clear that the Supreme Lord is the inner Atma of all created things, Sarva Bhuta Antaratma. That which teaches the highest knowledge of this unity is known as non-dualism, Advaita. That which teaches the principle of the lover and the loved, the individual Jiva and the Brahma, is known as dualism, Dvaita. That which teaches about all three, love, lover, and loved or nature, Prakriti, individual Jiva, and Brahma, is known as qualified non-dualism, Visishta Advaita. But these three are one. The child that is born changes into the student. The student changes into the householder. But all three are one and the same person, right? While the manners and attachments change in various ways, the person remains the same. Butter and buttermilk emerge from milk. Milk which contains all is non-dualism, Advaita. Butter which contains the two categories is dualism, Dvaita. After that is separated, the buttermilk that remains is qualified non-dualism, Visishtadvaita. But though their tastes differ, the color of all these is the same always. This which is the same in all is the Brahman without qualities. Nirguna Brahman. Jai Sai Ram.